investors. This is another episode, or March 20th, short market update wanted to give, and so again, next video being a little tutorial on different ideas that are in the internet on how to trade, and my ideas of what trading could be like, and just overall stock market sentiment. Let's jump right in. So I'm seeing a couple of things today. We're seeing a small bounce in crude oil, up about 1.7%. Dow, NASDAQ are all down a little bit. We're positive. We got triple witching coming up tomorrow, which usually they say causes market volatility, which usually means that the market tends to go down on triple witching, but it's anybody's call. So emergent is down 2%. That was one of the prior charts I looked at. Just a couple of chart checks here, short chart checks. So we see a bearish cross here in the MACD. I mean, bullish cross on the MACD, and we see bearish cross on the moving averages. And the last time that happened was many, many years ago, where we had a bullish MACD and a bearish cross. And the time that happened was right around, it's kind of almost here, but it's not exactly time. So there was a big drop, but then it kind of bounced a little bit, and then it went into like kind of a sell-off here until it bounced back up again. So that was one time where we had a bullish MACD cross, but bearish simple moving average cross. So we see it went down a little bit. I'm not saying that's what will happen this time, but so far we haven't seen much movement in EBS. Oil, USO, let's take a quick look. Potentially bearish cross coming up, though we have bullish cross on the MACD. Some RSI is going up. Accumulation doesn't look great. So I'd say stay with the trend. The trend is in this. It's in this kind of triangular, symmetrical triangular pattern here, since this high and this high, if we connect those two highs, and the lows, if we connect these lows here, we see essentially something is going to happen, but we don't know if it's going to break out of this symmetrical pattern or break below. So it's either going to go up top or down the bottom. So I think my personal opinion is, this could break down past here, retest, and then break down further, but we'll see. If political tensions rise, it could go either way. So neither long nor short this. It's just a kind of wait and see. Baidu, let's check up on that one. Baidu, we have potentially a moving cross here that is bullish. Short-term bearish MACD, but if it comes back down to this 88 zone, I am a buyer. I know that. Back down to this 88 zone, we do see a little gap there. I didn't break above this line here. I want to see it break above this descending trend line, and if it's able to do that with volume, then it would restore my confidence that this is going to go much higher. But for now, if it goes down to 88, I'm a buyer. Just watching it right now. Last one for the update, Costco, bearish. I don't like this chart. You got accumulations going the wrong way. You got more distribution and accumulation, and potentially some MACD cross eventually, maybe in the next month or two. If we extrapolate this chart out, we might see more volatility over here in a couple months, perhaps in the summer months, or even in the fall. So, and one other one I'm looking at is EL, because Estee Lauder has been a real bearish trend. There's really no sign of the bull trend coming in here. But that being said, I do think that eventually this will find a bottom. in the next probably year or so, and there it'll be probably a once in a generation buy, um, and I would expect that this would refill some gaps higher eventually. So the chart would probably look like bouncing above and then rips and dips going up. So that's what I would anticipate from EL as the market recovers in China. So that's kind of where my views are today. I just want to give you a quick market update and see you in the next one. Take care.